Hey you guys, what's up? What's up? I have finally gotten a break to where I'm just going to cook for me today. So I'm going to do a meat sauce with kicked up spaghetti. And I'm not going to tell you yet what I'm going to put in the spaghetti. But here in this pot, I have a pound of ground turkey. I don't eat ground beef, so I use ground turkey. I added a fourth of a teaspoon of oregano, a fourth of a teaspoon of rosemary, salt, pepper. Let's do a fourth of a teaspoon of garlic powder and a fourth of a teaspoon of onion powder. And whenever I cook my spaghetti, I like all of the liquid to be out of the pot. And anytime you reduce something that has liquid in it, it intensifies the flavor. Oh yeah, by the way, this is Mrs. O. Okay, to this, ain't no homemade sauce. I got a bottle of spaghetti sauce. So I'm gonna add, I'm gonna say this is probably a half of a bottle since I only got a pound of turkey meat. So we're gonna stir this up. And also, whenever I cook spaghetti, I always like to have some type of texture. So what I'm going to do is add, this is about a fourth of a cup of diced tomatoes. So let's just put that in there. And the tomatoes also has a little Italian spices going in it. Okay, so you see the texture once I added the tomatoes? It has a little to it. So I'm going to put this on the on low, and I'm going to let it simmer for about 20 minutes on real low. And I'm going to start the spaghetti. I'm using thin spaghetti. I always make sure that you salt your water, and I'm going to cook them al dente. I'm going to say probably 7 to 8 minutes. Then I will come back and show you guys what I'm going to do with the spaghetti. Stay connected. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Here's the spaghetti. I let it cook for about 8 minutes. I probably should have did 7. Okay, let me show you what I'm about to do to the spaghetti. I discovered this by accident, but oh my God, it was so freaking good. To the spaghetti, once you drain it, make sure you drain all the water out of it in a colander and then put it back in the pan. And I'm going to add, I don't want you to see the name of it, but I'm going to add a half a bottle of ranch dressing. Yes, I said ranch dressing. Okay, here I go. And I promise you guys, when you try this, you're going to be like, oh my God, why didn't I think of this? And then just take your tongs. Okay, let me open them up. Just take your tongs and just do this to them. And it's going to infuse that wonderful ranch dressing that 90% of America likes. Okay. For me, I would like some more ranch dressing. So let me put some more on this. There you go. I think that's good. So let's toss it again. I had other tongs. I can't find them though, you know. When you have so much junk and you don't know where half of it is, you be like, okay, now where did I put them? All right, there you go. And make sure you're gentle so you don't tear up your spaghetti. There you go. You see that ranch on it? Yummy! All right, and then I'm just going to add a little parsley flakes. Yeah, just kind of a taste, maybe. I don't know. Look, color. Okay, let's say color. All right, you guys. I'm going to plate this up and show you the finished product. I'll be right back. Stay connected. Okay, you guys. Here is my meat sauce with my ranch spaghetti. You see how nice the meat sauce look? And then I took a little ranch dressing and, just kind of put it on top, I guess, for presentation and taste. So if you like a lot of ranch, please use more than I did. If not, just cut back on your ranch. Okay, now let me show you the spaghettis. Yum, yum, yum. Check that out. You see the ranch on that spaghetti? You guys, I guarantee you're going to love this. Thanks to all of my new subscribers. Please hit the notification button so you can be notified when I post videos. Again, thank my new subscribers, thank my old subscribers, and until next time, God bless you and stay connected.